Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're doing something a little different today. We are fishing here at a local creek. If you're a local here in Anchorage, then you probably know where this is. I'm not gonna disclose the name just because there's some locals that get quite upset just because we give out locations. But you know what? If you live in Anchorage, it doesn't even matter where you fish. Everybody knows where it is. No matter what. This was my first time actually fishing out here this year. Normally I do not come out here, fish this creek, just because of the homeless population out here. But today is strictly catch and release. So if I catch any fish, I'm releasing. I don't see any fish. So for all you locals that know this area or know this creek, just remember to read your regulations, because there are different kind of species of fish that come up here, and one that is very protected, which is the king salmon that runs in this creek. Cannot keep any kings. Kings are no. But right now, we are targeting silvers. So right now, silvers are running both in Ship Creek and a lot of places right now. And what I love doing most with silvers is fishing a bobber and some eggs underneath. But to be quite honest with you guys, I don't fish this creek enough to know where the good honey holes are. So yeah, right now I'm just exploring, looking for some good holes, see if there's any fish stacked up. And this creek is not deep at all. So if you have polarized glasses, you can see You can literally see the bottom of this creek. But what I do know is that there are some this creek is great for trout fishing. Oh, look at that, there's fish in there. I don't know what kind of fish that is. There's fish down there. I think we'll fish this stretch. Let's try it out. And if you're coming out here alone, make sure you're always aware of your surroundings. This place, every year, once in a while, somebody will see black bears, brown bears. So always be careful. So yes, we are still in Alaska, where brown bears and black bears thrive. Oh, these fish do not want to bite the eggs. All right, I'm gonna try the spinners. Oh, let's move this. I definitely see some big old silvers in there. Oh, we chase after it. Oh. There's like 5 of them. 5 silvers stacked up. Surprised that these fish are not biting. Oh, no, he turned. He was going after it. Oh, there we go. Wow. That was awesome. Oh, that was cool. Oh, he's a giant. Oh, that was cool. That was so cool. I actually saw him come up. Wow, look at that. You know what? We're gonna keep this fish. Because, man, this fish is just huge. These silvers are just huge up there. No, he ripped my. That's unfortunate. Ah, no, not my jacket. Look at that. Whew. First ever of the year. All right. Where am I gonna put this guy? All right, I'm gonna just leave him right there. Because I saw that fish like come up after it. That was pretty cool. Well, guys, I think this is it for me. You know, one fish, just not bad. One big old silver. Looking at these little pockets, if there's any fish, but no, I'm not seeing anything at all. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it. It's been a good 30 minute to an hour of fishing. But if you enjoyed this video and you found this video a little different, please give it a thumbs up, and if you can subscribe, that will greatly help my channel. But yes, thank you for stopping by, and stay tuned for more videos. We're going to be doing hunting next. Hunting season is coming up. I think fishing season is done for me. I might go for silvers just a couple more times, but fishing season is coming to a close for me. Gonna get ready for hunting season. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed.